yourself, please, and department.
John Kabala, K-A-B-A-L-A, Alhambra Fire Department.
Chief, what do we know so far about this fatal wrong-way traffic accident on the 10 freeway? What can you tell us so far?
It appears we had 4 vehicles involved. Of the 4 vehicles, we had 7 patients. 2 of the patients are fatal. The 2 fatal patients, one was in one vehicle and another one was in another. We had 5 patients transported to area hospitals that were, it appears to be in critical condition. We had crews on scene to conduct extrication, and we had multiple agencies involved from Alhambra, San Gabriel, Monterey Park, South Pasadena, and the LA County Fire Department Air Operations. We had one of their units transport one of our patients.
Tell us about how you handled the large amount of patients and the physical rescue aspect.
All I can say is that the crews did an outstanding job with a quick response, rapid extrication of the patients that were critical in one vehicle, and the good organization of the incident. We were able to get patients and get them to hospitals within a very short period of time.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much, Chief.
You're welcome.
Yourself, please, and which highway patrol officer you're out of?
Officer Neil Corcoran out of the East Los Angeles Highway Patrol.
Spell your last name, please.
C-O-R-C-O-R-A-N.
Officer Corcoran, what can you tell us about this multi-fatal wrong-way crash trend in 10 freeway? What do we know so far in the investigation?
So far what we know, it looks like we have a wrong-way driver with 5 vehicles involved. The initial collision appears to be a head-on collision between the wrong-way driver and a red Jetta.
Tell us about the other cars, and you said there were 5 cars involved, so it was a head-on, then the other incidental. Tell us about how the others got involved.
Appears to be 5 vehicles total after the prior collision. A preliminary investigation indicates that 3 other vehicles were involved, and it looks like they struck the vehicles as they were at their point of rest.
And from what I can possibly see, the wrong-way driver has died in the crash, is that correct?
He has not been pronounced yet in a preliminary investigation. We can't tell that yet.
Okay, and, is there any prior warning for the oncoming drivers that there was a wrong-way driver where people were trying to swerve out of the way? Any indication at this point?
It doesn't appear so. The first caller that we got was eastbound 10 at approximately Del Mar, and we're not aware of any warning that was issued for drivers.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much.